family. Today, let's batch steam some goat meat and I'll share how I season it and also create that beautiful goat meat stock. So here I've got my fresh goat meat delivered straight from the farm to my kitchen. I cure my goat meat with Koobi Salt and then I add the all-purpose Holy Grail blend, and then I've blended some onion, ginger and aniseed. I've mixed everything together, as you can tell. Flavors. Anyway, once that is done, I've also added some fresh thyme, Scotch Bonnet, fresh Bayleaves, and my secret ingredient, the rind of a lemon. I steamed this for 45 minutes and I've ended up with that beautiful goat meat stock, my perfectly steamed and seasoned goat meat. And I'm going to portion this. I'll leave some in the fridge and also freeze some. So as and when a recipe requires it, that's Soft Kitchen Life, I just grab it and I'm good to go. Brother, sister, chop better food for me, okay? And thank you very much for your support.